We'll be here soon. Karate Sumo. Hey guys, you guys saw my new intro? Well, that's going to be the intro almost every time. We're going to be doing my top 4 favorite John Deere tractors. Can you believe that? That's going to be awesome. I can't wait. Now, we're going to give a shout out to someone who's really good. Coriante Cleveland, he is even in my school class. Can you guys believe that? It's amazing. I can't believe it. Now, let's get back. Okay, my first favorite. John Deere Combine 7720. Got this last year, 2018. My dad bought it for me. It was like $50 just for this. Yeah. Came with some other stuff too. My second, the Case Combine. Ein Axel Flow 7010. I got this a while back, like 2012 maybe. I'm not sure. I got this a long time ago. Like a long time ago. My third favorite is this 8440. Really good. I use it all the time. And there will be soon, coming May 24th is the last day of out school. Can you guys believe that? That's when there will be a lot of videos going on. It'll probably be like day after day after day after day. There may be 2 in a day. Because that's when something's coming. I can't tell you what it is. You guys are going to have to wait until next video. Till next time. And here is one of my last favorite, an 83020 John Deere. Even these two are cool. Like the smokestack and stuff. I can't wait to show you what's coming up next. It's gonna be sick. Stay tuned for more YouTube videos. Click subscribe, click that bell, and 3, 2, 1, go, done. Now, hope you guys like this video. See you next time.